Engine 30 responding. Yeah, Engine 35 responding with Battalion 2. And then Pumper 32. Here comes the Coast Guard. .1944 ladder ship. Ooh. Here comes that same engine 31. This is a number 1. Engine 31. Every time I see it. Here comes a black one. It's on code 4. 5th Street. This is engine 10. Responding. Look at all the flags. That's a ton of flags. We got this is engine 202. 32 Ludlow. And here comes Tower 54. Yeah. It's a tower ladder. Or it's a Quint. Here comes another rescue vehicle. Definitely a fire engine. Don't give... Dang. Crap. This engine 32222. Here comes a medical truck. Medical 22222. With Hazmat 1 this morning. We got old engine 32 responding out of Station 1. It's vintage, very vintage. Well, this wraps up. Hit, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see ya. Peace! That's the honk for bye. See ya. Thanks, comment, subscribe, bye.